Thank you. One Greenville County Council member wants to know why some elected officials are about to get a big pay raise.
And that's not the only question he wants answered. WYFF's Nigel Robertson has the story.
Do the numbers add up?
How would you like to start a job that's pays $60,000 a year, 5 months, and then all of a sudden they want to raise you $20,000 more in a year?
Tony Trout says that is the problem. These 6 elected county officials, probate judge, clerk of courts, newly elected county auditor, treasurer, the coroner, and the newly elected register of deeds are all getting raises. One elected official isn't getting a raise.
It was definitely a surprise to me.
The sheriff.
I would prefer to see the men and women of the sheriff's office benefit from a pay increase rather than me.
Tim Nanny, the register of deeds, is slated to get more than a $20,000 a year raise, bringing his pay to just over $88,000. He's only been on the job
5 months. And there's no doubt, I mean, this would not be happening if it hadn't been his father-in-law being on the county council.
Councilman Taylor is Nanny's father-in-law. But County Administrator Joe Cornell says he put the budget together, not Taylor, and Trout is out of line. Cornell says he simply wanted to bring the 6 elected officials who make less than the sheriff in line with each other. With state salary supplements, everyone but the sheriff would make just over $90,000.
Actually, this plan was trying to provide equality for the elected offices. There was no influence from council members. There was no influences from anyone.
The coroner is also slated to get a large increase, but Trout says he understands why.
He's one of the few, him and the sheriff, I mean, they have the most dangerous jobs.
Trout says it's his job to ask questions, making sure you know how your tax dollars are spent. Nigel Robertson, WYFF News 4, Greenville County.
Tim Nanny didn't want to talk on camera, but he said, quote, "I am sure Tony Trout is doing what he believes is best for his district. My job is to do the best I can running this office and to earn my salary, whatever it is. Council will vote on the final budget on June 21st.
A videographer for the Greenville